Mom, I think I'm finally gonna do Canada this year. Yeah.
So what, 5 days?
Sorry?
How many days?
You say 5 days? Or like 100 days. All summer. Cet été, je planifie à faire le vélo de Terre-Neuve, St. John's.
Ben voyons donc. Terre-Neuve,
jusqu'à Colombie-Britannique.
Ben voyons donc.
Ouais.
Hey, comment c'est loin, ça?
C'est 7500 km.
Combien?
7500.
En vélo, en vélo.
En vélo. Même pas. C'est pour lever des fonds pour le cancer avec les jeunes,
Ouais.
les enfants avec le cancer, puis aussi lever des fonds pour l'eau fraîche en Afrique.
Hey, c'est bon, maudit.
Ouais.
Les tatouages des monts, c'est physique.
Oh, ouais, je suis fort. En fait, je fais ça en mémoire de Gisèle. En mémoire d'elle. Puis aussi pour montrer du support pour le cancer.
Et moi, du cancer, cancer de bouche,
Ouais, c'est ça.
pas
Puis,
capable de manger.
c'est ça. Non, je m'en souviens, c'était dur. Puis, si je peux, là, j'essaie de faire un petit différence.
Félicitations, c'est beau.
Merci. Donc, je reviens.
Combien?
2 ou 3 mois.
2-3 mois?
Ouais. Je reviens en septembre.
Quand?
En juillet, je devrais être ici à Montréal, Québec, Montréal. On va passer vous voir.
Quand?
Puis après, je continue jusqu'à l'ouest.
Oh ben,
Ouais. C'est ça.
t'inquiète pas de bon sens.
Non, c'est...
Bon, tant mieux.
Ouais.
En t'écouter, félicitations, c'était une affaire.
Ouais, peut-être un projet, ouais. Ton genre de logo. Ok, merci beaucoup.
Alright.
Toujours, ok. À tantôt, man. Bye. Bye. Alright, I just got my new home for the next 3 months. Peace. Yeah, hello. So, how much is a bike fitting? Yeah, I'll have to let you go. Alright. Yeah, bye. Okay, Google. Is a bike fitting really worth it?
Jenny.
I wonder what's happening.
The middle one, that was kind of.
What could it be? I think.
Your heart?
Liam to get a haircut.
So here we go. To Liam.
To Liam.
It's my last day of work today. Totally stoked. So we're gonna get a bike check right at 9 o'clock, 9:30 straight by. And I'm super stoked. After that, come back to work. And after work, I'm filming Lamborghini Montreal tonight. Shit in the middle.
Don't go too far. One of these is for sure.
Hey, I'll see you boys.
Escape Bay New.
I think it's man's over here. Haji.
Good luck.
See?
Yeah, that's very true.
My ass hurts.
Well, this is my back here. This one.
Thanks. Hey,
Good luck.
Thanks.
Let us know when you're in Montreal. We'll do a bit together.
Yeah, I'm staying there. St. John's.
Fuck out of here. Yeah.
man.
Yeah, I'm proud of you, buddy.
Thanks, man.
And then you go from here to.
Ça va,
Yeah, bro. Be safe.
Thanks, man.
You good? He's rooting for you.
I leave a bag with Rodden's food here.
Take it easy, man.
Good luck, eh?
Get the heck out of here.
Yes! It's been a really long time coming, but I'm driving out of the driveway of my work for 3 months. I'm a free man, boys. Woo! Alright, Mireille, what's popping in this side of town? Alright, we're going to the Lamborghini Montreal VIP event. I'm definitely not VIP, but she definitely looks it. And yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'm biking 7,500 kilometers across Canada, and my Auntie Di here, she's pledging to.
I'll give him 1 penny for every kilometer of the actual trip.
Awesome. So okay.
Doesn't count for side trips to restaurant.
No side takes. No side takes.
Right.
Crossing Canada this year on bike.
What's your
Hi, Flo.
Hey, Teddy.
Bad boy.
Hello, my name is Donnie Laser. I'm here with the Da Vinci Caribou. We're here demonstrating this bike that Timothy Lager is going to use for the trip ride. Trim frame, male, female seat, specially designed for Lagers. Just to remind you, this has a hydrocarbon bike chain.
Aluminium, titanium,
We have
beryllium.
waterproof bags, a sport to put a duffel bag or a speaker. And it's quite neat how you just, on your brake line, you would change it like that.
Just speed, also efficiency. The kids love it, right? No. No? No, they don't love it, but they want a full send, so I'll give it to them. Full send! In the water. Oh, dip in the water. Henry, your turn. Your turn.
Brigatini, pasta fredda.
Henry, where's your bike?
Here.
Want to fix it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But, no. Another one there.
On 2 bikes.
But, it's okay.
Okay. Big boy. What are you splashing around? Ay, yoy!
Tim!
Hey! Single seat for the last time.
Last one more? One more? Last one, okay? Let's do one more.
Okay, ready?
One more. Last. Last one.
That's a lot of laughs. Hey, that's a water bottle. I'm gonna nick and poop. 2 weeks.
Make sure to go to church on Sunday.
Yes, I will,
Gonna
Emma.
have his own church.
What?
That you come back from your trip alive in one piece, and you also come back to the Bay having married.
And a better man for Emma. Just kidding.